Hi, I'm Avlin and I'm an intern with Lexus and Company, and today I'm going to discuss the topic of geographical indications. Geographical indications, also known as GI, is a sign used on products that have a specific geographical origin and possesses qualities or a reputation that are due to that origin. In order to function as a GI, a sign must identify a product as originating in a given place. In addition, the quality, characters, or reputation of the product should be essentially due to that place of origin. Since the qualities depend on the geographical place of production, there is a clear link between the product and its original place of production. Geographical indicators are recognized under intellectual property rights. It was first made applicable or was introduced by the TRIPS Agreement. Article 22 of TRIPS Agreement defines GI as indications which identify as goods as originating in the territory of a member or a region or locality in that territory where a given quality, reputation, or other characteristics of the good is essentially attributable to its geographical origin. Further, geographical indicators are also defined under Section 2, Clause 1, Clause E of GI Act. It has been defined as in relation to goods means an indication which identifies such goods as agriculture goods, natural goods, or manufactured goods as originating or manufactured in the territory of a country or a region or locality in that territory where a given quality, reputation, or other characteristics of such goods is essentially attributable to its geographical origin. And in case where such goods are manufactured goods, one of the activities of either the production or the processing or preparation of the goods concerned takes place in such territory, region, or locality as the case may be. Darjeeling tea was the first GI tag, India's first GI tag. Since then, 300 plus goods have been given GI tag. Karnataka is the leading state in filing of GI with a total of 39 geographical indications registered till date, followed by Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Now let's discuss the provisions of Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. This act is a sui generis act that is unique in itself. GI legislation enacted for putting in place property laws in compliance with India's obligation under TRIPS. The purpose behind enacting the act is to protect the interest of producers of such goods, to exclude unauthorized persons, to promote goods bearing Indian geographical tags in export market. The Act GI of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 came into force from 15 September 2003. Geographical indications are public property and therefore cannot be licensed, sold, assigned, etc. On the death of the authorized user of geographical indications, his rights in registered geographical indicator will transfer to his successor in title. This has been mentioned under Section 24 of the Act. Further, Section 25 of the Act states that geographical indications cannot be registered as trademark. Registration of a geographical indicator is not mandatory. If a GI tag is registered, the owner will have the right to file a suit if his rights of GI tag are infringed. But if the same GI tag has not been registered, then the person cannot file a complaint against the infringer and recover damages for the same. A geographical indicator needs to be registered. Once registered, goes for 10 years, and it has to be registered time to time after the expiry of or before the expiration of 10 years. Geographical indicator at a time can only be renewed or only be registered for a period of 10 years and not more than that. What civil actions can be taken in case of infringement of a GI? Aggrieved party can ask for injunction, discovery of documents, or damages or amount of profit. The criminal action which can be taken against the person who has infringed the rights of the owner of GI are falsification or false application of GI, and he shall be punished from 6 months to 3 years, 50,000 or to 2 lakh rupees fine. In special cases, court may give less than 5,000, and imprisonment can also be less than 6 months. That means it is the prerogative of the court that how much punishment is to be given to the infringer. So this was all about geographical indications. Thank you.